Hello, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes, and today we're going to be doing Fundations Unit 7, Week 3, Day 4. And to do this practice today, we're going to do it in our Words I Use When I Write book. And you need a pencil and an orange crayon. Now, if you don't have that book, it's okay to do this on a sheet of paper. But if you need to pause the video for a moment to get your book and crayon and pencil, that is fine. All right. Well, welcome back. Let's turn to the page that begins with words that have A. I'm going to scoot this on the screen so you can see all of the words. And there are no words that we're going to add that begin with A. On the B page, well, there are no words that begin with B either that we're going to write. But on the C page, find the word city. It's right there, city. C-I-T-Y. Now you notice I'm using my orange crayon to carefully trace it. I don't just scribble, I carefully trace the word city. Now, there are no more words that begin with the letter C on this unit. So we're going to move on. And remember, if you ever need to pause the video, it is okay. All right, we're going in ABC order. And now we're ready for the letter D. Our first D word that begins with a D that we're going to use is the word depend. Now, if I look over here, D-E, I see deer, but I don't see depend. So let's write it. D-E-P-E-N-D. Depend. And then you go along and trace it. D-E-P-E-N-D. And you notice, boys and girls, that when I do my tracing, I try to stay right on top of the letters that I wrote. All right, now there are no other words that begin with D. Turn to the E page, and we have the word every. Every, there it is, every. E-V-E-R-Y. Every. And we also have, oh no, there's not another E word. But on F, we have more than one word. First, we have the word find. I want to find you. Well, if I look over here, find, up, there it is, find. And let's trace the word find, F-I-N-D, find. Make sure that you trace that word. And we also have the word family. Now, family, no, I don't see it over here. So we have to write it, family, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. And I'm going to trace it, F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. And we have another F word, fireman. Well, here's the word fire, but we need firemen. So F-I-R-E-M-E-N, men. It's more than one fireman. Okay, and let's trace the word fireman. F-I-R-E-M-E-N. Make sure that you pause the video if you need more time. Okay, that takes care of our F words that begin with F. Now the letter G. And looking, I don't see any words that begin with G. H. H, we have the word hotel. Hotel. Hope, horse, hot. No, I don't see hotel. H, O, T, E, L. H, O, T, E, L. Now I'm going to go over this with orange crayon. H, O, T, E, L. Make sure that you go over it carefully. Okay, the word hotel. I don't see any other H words. Okay, turning the page. Now we're ready for the letter I. And I see the word is. Let's trace is. I-S. Is. Now let's go on to the letter J. And I do not see any words that begin with J or K on our list. J or K. Now turning to the L page. For L, we have the word lobby, a hotel lobby. Okay, it's not on here. So L, O, B, B, Y, lobby. L, O, B, B, Y, lobby. And that is the only word that begins with L. Turn to the next page. We have M. M. And our first word that we need to do is the word menu. Now this is the word men. Now we're going to do menu. Like you look at the menu at McDonald's. M-E-N-U. Menu. Trace over it with your orange crayon. M-E-N-U. Menu. And that is the last word that begins with M. N. Well, I don't see any words that begin with N. O. Oh, there's the word on. O-N. But there are no other words that begin with on, with the letter O. P. We do have one. Protect. Protect. If I look at the PR, we have pretty, but not protect. So, P, R, O, T, E, C, T. Protect. Protect. That CT is a little tricky. Whoops, my crayon broke. That's okay. It still works. Protect. That CT is tricky. Protect. Q. There are no words that begin with Q. R. Now we do have words that begin with R. The first one, remote. Remote. I use the remote to start the TV or turn on the TV. And I see several re words, but none of them are remote. So R, E, M, O, T, E, remote. R-E-M-O-T-E. Remote. All right, and that is the last R word. S. Ooh, we have so many S words. Okay, the first word we need is the word something. Oh, it's right here by my hand. Something. So let's trace it. It's a compound word. Something. T-H-I-N-G. Something. Make sure you trace that one. Something. And our second S word is the word shyness. Shyness. Now it starts with SH, but I do not see the word shy. And we're putting a suffix on it. Shyness. We'll put it right here. S-H-Y-N-E-S-S. Shyness. S-H-Y-N-E-S-S. Shyness. Okay, if you need to pause the video, you may. All right. Now, moving on to the letter T. The letter T, we have the word, if I can find it, trying. Trying. Now, the word try is right here, and we're going to add the suffix ing to it. T-R-Y-I-N-G. 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 Trying. Now turn to the letter U. Oh, and we have the word us. Us. So highlight us. And that is the only word that begins with U. V. There are no words that begin with V. W. We have the word windy. Windy. Well, I don't see windy or wind. So W, I, N, D, Y. Windy. The base word is wind, and it has the suffix Y on the end. Okay, there are no X words, and there are no words that begin with Y. However, I do see a word that I missed on the letter L. So back up, H-I-J-K-L. Find your L page. You can pause the video if you need to. The word that I left out is the word large. Oh, there it is right there. Large. So trace it. L-A-R-G-E. Large. And that's it for today, boys and girls. When you take your test tomorrow, if you find yourself needing a little extra help on some words, you know where to look. Right here in your words I use when I write book. See you tomorrow for the test.